Her Majesty the Queen Mother led throngs of regiments in dancing the Little Incwala at Lutsitsini royal residence. Here's a report.
Regiments joined Her Majesty the Queen Mother at Lutsitsini royal residence for the dancing of the Little Incwala. The regiments, who came in their numbers, sang and danced with Her Majesty. The Queen Mother was joined by members of the royal family, balondolozi, princes and princesses, the Prime Minister Dr. Barnabas Sibusiso Dlamini, cabinet ministers and regiments. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane with Tabiso Dlamini at Lutsitsini Royal Residence.